Hello. So yeah, my name is Robby, and I'm from Kommunitas. Today, I will bring the topic about how to invest safely in crypto. First of all, I would like to say that this presentation is not a financial advice, and you should always conduct your own research for it. Okay. Sorry. Which one? This green one, right? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, we like to discuss about how to make money in crypto. So in general, there are three ways that we can make money in crypto. First of all is mining. Mining basically is a process that Bitcoin and other several cryptocurrency use to generate new coins and verify new transaction. It involves fast and decentralized network of computer around the world that verify and secure the blockchains. In return for contributing the processing power, computers on the network are rewarded with new coins. But you know, there are several problems with mining. So first of all, not so many well-known crypto use the POW mechanism for their consensus. Even Ethereum, the second largest market cap, they are transitioning to POS or proof of stake mechanism. And then according to the Economic Times, over 75% of Bitcoin miners' earnings is going to the soaring electricity cost. Means that you have to pay for the cost. So next one, we have the trading. So trading is basically the act of speculating the cryptocurrency price movement, either by buying or selling the token in an exchanges. Trading can be profitable in a bull market, but with this current market condition, I think that it's not very profitable. There's also a future and leverage trading, which can be risky as it is easy for you to lose all your investment if the price, goes against your position. So as you can see here, according to Trade Society, all traders start with the dream to get rich quick, and then only 40% of them trade only for 1 month. 80% of them quit within the first 2 years, and only 7% remain after 5 years. So yeah. The next one is we have investing. The last one we have investing. So investing is, in a nutshell, is the act of putting capital to work in hopes that of a greater payoff in the next future. We have several myths here. Like a lot of people think that investing is only for the rich people. But here, later on we'll discuss how we can start investing in crypto even with a very small capital. Also I would like to say that the timing is also quite important. So as we can see here, this 25 years old says that he's a millionaire now after investing early in Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I think that early is, or timing is quite crucial in investing. So there is one platform in crypto, we call it Launchpad. Launchpad basically is a platform to connect between retail investors and a project. When a project wants to do the fundraising or to kickstart their project, they need some kind of funds, and they will go to the Launchpad. There are several Launchpad in the crypto industry, but based on our experience, there are three problems worth solving. So first of all, for several Launchpad, they have quite high entry barrier. It means that you have to hold a minimum amount of their token in order to be able to participate. And then the next one is there are some kind of waiting list or a lottery system. It means that even if you have the native token of that Launchpad, you will still have to, wait. Based on our experience, last year we tried to participate in one Launchpad. There were like 300,000 people waiting to buy the token, but only 10% of them can get to buy the token. So yeah, it's no guarantee. And then the third one is no guarantee or safety of the funds. If you ever heard of ICO, yeah, I believe that all of us know what is ICO, initial coin offering. ICO boom was back in 2017, where you can buy the token directly from the website. But you will never know if the next day after you invest, then when the website gone, it means that your investment is also gone. That's why you will need Launchpad. Because in Launchpad, we will do all the dirty job for you. We will do all the KYC, we will do the research, So when you invest in the Launchpad, it's quite safe rather than ICO. This is some comparison that we have with other Launchpad. So in Kommunitas, like I mentioned, that we can start with even as low as not even $1 to start. Then you can get a guarantee allocation. Whereas in other Launchpad, you will need like $200 until $2,000 to buy their native token. We also have our private sale deal sometimes. So what is the difference between private sale and public sale? So in the private sale, you might have a better price, but maybe a longer vesting period. So in order to get the private sale deal in Kommunitas, you will need to hold 500,000 Com token, which is worth only like $800. Whereas in other Launchpad, you will need like 10 to 14,000 to participate in the private sale. So yeah, we also have our staking yield, which means that when you buy the Com token and if you stake it in our platform, you will get the APY starting from 18%. And if you compare with other Launchpad, we are still the highest. We also have our protection or priority rules, which later on we will cover. And then we also have a revenue sharing model where other Launchpad doesn't have. So these are some criteria when we want to launch a project that, the project needs to follow. First of all, the project will have to send the full amount of tokens to our vesting smart contract prior to the TGE. TGE is token generation event, or in simple word, like the listing. When the project wants to list the token, before the listing in an exchange, they have to send the token to us so that we can lowering the risk of vesting delays. Then the second one is the fund raise will be released to the project according to the vesting schedule. For example, if a project vests 25% of the token every month, we will only release an equivalent percentage of the fund to the project at least 49 hours after each vesting, which means that your investment is safe, not like the old ICO, where, like I said, if the website is gone, then your investment is gone. By doing this, we can ensure our investors that if the project goes maybe like do the scam or rug pulls, then we can still refund your investment. And then number 3 is quite interesting. So our rule says that if the price of the token falls below the IKO, so we call our ICO as IKO, initial Kommunitas offering. So for 3 consecutive days, before 50% of the token have been vested, then Kommunitas will provide an option for refunds. So let's say you invest in a project with 25% vesting for 4 months. The first time you will get your 25%, and when the token is listed, let's say you make like 20% of profits, okay? And then next month, before another 25% of the token invested, if the price goes down below the sale price for 3 consecutive days, then we will open up for refunds. It means that we will refund the 75% of your investment to you. So I can say that it's very safe, like 50% of your investment is guaranteed with these rules. Number 4, it says that the project will have to provide a liquidity in a 1-to-1 ratio in relation to its initial market cap. Initial market cap is a number of circulating token at the first day of the listing times the price of the token itself. So next one, the liquidity of the token will have to be locked with a reliable third party like DXLock or Unicrypt. And then the team token will have to be locked up according to the vesting schedule. This includes any and all token for marketing advisory based on their tokenomic. By doing this, we will ensure that the team will not dump the token, because a lot of projects, they're trying to, like play around with the investor. They say that the liquidity is locked, but then if the team token is not locked, it means that they can easily dump the token and drain the liquidity. This is very important. So the next one is the token contracts will need to be audited by a dependable audit firm to prevent any vulnerabilities or intentional loopholes in the code. And the listing date of the token must be within 14 days of the IKO, and Kommunitas reserve the right to provide refunds if the listing is postponed, which means that when you are an investor in Kommunitas, when you invest in a project, so within 2 weeks' time, you will get some portion of your investment back because the project will agree to list the token within 14 days. Yeah, we call it proven solution. Is 3 projects that we have back in the month of May. So the first one was the Central Vault. The price of when IKO, it was 0.014 US dollar, and it goes to as high as 0.02 within 2 hours. So it's like a 2x. But then based on our statistic, our investor can sell at an average sell of 1.6x with 100% token unlock. So which means that if you invest $1,000 for this project, by the time of the listing, when you unlock the token, 100% of the token, you will sell it at least 1,600, which means that you made like 60% of the profit. The second project was iStep. The price of the IKO was 0.01. It goes to as high as 0.9. It's a 90x. But then, yeah, not everybody can sell at that price. So based on our statistic, when you get the 25% unlock at the day of listing, you can sell an average of 5.2x, which means that if you invested, let's say 1,000 US dollar, and then you get 250 worth of your token, when you sell it, it become 1,250. You get your capital back, and then you earn 250 as profit. And you still have 75% of the token unvested. Okay? So the last one is Bike Earn. Okay, it's a move to earn project. The price of the IKO was 0.012. It goes as high as 1 point something dollar, which is 99x. But based on our statistic, our user, after they unlock the 25% at the listing, they can sell at 1.5x. The third project is one sample that has been refunded. It means that because of the price of the token goes below 0.012, so last week we refunded 75% of the investment to all of our investor. Okay. How we can do that? Because we have all the agreement with the project, and then we are keeping the funds safe with us before we release the fund to the project. Yeah, I also touch about the revenue sharing. It means that this revenue sharing is quite unique and new. We have just introduced it. it is only for private partners. A private partners in Kommunitas is the one who is holding and staking more than 500,000 COM token. 500,000 COM token, as of the price today, it worth like 1,000 USD. So if you are one of our private partners, you will enjoy 30% revenue sharing every quarter, because we will make some revenue in our first come, first serve and community round, and we take out the 30%, we put it in a Genesis Safe wallet, and every quarter we will share to all of our private partners. The more COM token you have, the more sharing that you will get. And the first one will happen in this quarter, the second quarter, which will be done in 30th of June. So you still have time. If you want to participate, you can buy more than 500,000 COM token, you stake it in our staking platform, and you will be eligible for this one. So why a project wants to launch with Kommunitas with all those hard criteria? Because of trust. We are trusted by more than 130,000 members in Telegram, 200,000 followers in Twitter, 25,000 in Medium, and 13,000 plus in Instagram. We also have more than 15 regional groups. So if you are from India or Indonesia, we have regional groups for that, where you can speak. We have one community moderators for each group, and you can speak in your language. We also believe in partnership with other projects, and we always open for that. These are some of the partners that we have. So we open the partnership for VCs, KOL, influencer, any community partners, because we believe in crypto, connection and partnership is everything. Yeah, apart from investing, we also have our Minigames platform. So like we say in the website, don't feel like investing. How about having fun with Captain Com and earn some Com token? So you can scan it here. I believe that it will bring you to our announcement channel. And if you want, you can go to play.communitas.net. Currently, it is only for desktop user. And for our Android APK, it will be done in 1 or 2 months' time. So you can play. We have 2 modes. It's free to play. So if you are a casual gamer, you can just play. We have 100 plus mini games. Or if you want to earn COM token, you have to buy the COM token as the ticket, and then you can win some COM token. By having this, we are giving more utility and use case for our token, apart from the investing and for calculating the allocation. Yeah, so this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening in. You can also scan this QR code here. It will bring you to all of our social media. So feel free to ask me any question if you have one. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Robby Jeo.